Good morning, everybody. How are you, the boys and girls? I hope you are well now. I am also well. Now I start your mental math class. In the previous day, we have already completed chapter 75. Today I start exercise 81 and 81, 82, 83 I have already completed. I will complete in this class. Okay, now I start exercise 81. Exercise 81. Fill in the blank boxes. A 0.7 plus 0.3 1.0. Okay. B 1.7 minus 0.007. I do this sum here. 1.7 means 700 0.007. 3 1 9 6 1 1.693. Okay. C 0.003 plus 0.007, that is I do it here plus, so 7301, that is 0.010. D 0.04 plus 404 by 1000, that is 0.04 404 by 1000 means 0.404, that is 0.04 0.404, that is 0.444 answer. E 4.5 minus 2.6, 4.5 2.6 minus, that is 1.9. 15 4 से 1 उधर लिया, so 15 3, 15 से 6 चला गया तो 9 हुआ, 3 से 2 चला गया 1.9. Okay. F 0.9 plus 1.100, 0.9 plus 0.01, that is 0.91, 0.91. Z 62.8 into 10, that is 6280, that is 1 के बाद point, so answer 628, 628. H 9.008 into 100, that is 9008, 900800. 3 के बाद point, 3 के बाद point, so 900.8. Okay. I 1.4 plus 6.100, 1.4 6.100 means 0.06, that is 1.46. J 6.25 minus 4.35, 6.25 minus 4.35, 550. 2 से 3 it is not possible to subtract, so 6 से 1 deduct, so 12 5, 12 से 3 9, and 5 minus 1 5 minus 4 1, so 1.90. Okay, this is chapter exercise 81. Now I start exercise 82. 82. Fill in the blanks boxes. 4 plus 1.25 plus 1 by 25 plus 7 by 1000. 4 plus 1 by 25 means 1 by 25 means 0.04, 0.04. I do this sums here. 7 by 1000 means 0.007, that is 4 0.04, 4 0.04, so 4 0.04 0.007, so 4.007, 4.007 answer. So equal to 4.007. 4 plus 0.04, 4 0.04 0.007, so 4.740, 4.007 answer. Okay. B, if 1 liter of milk costs rupees 48, find the cost of 9 liters. So 1 liter CP of 1 liter milk is 48, CP of 9 liter milk is 48 into 9, rupees 432. 8 9 is 72, 7 carryings, 4 9 is 36, or 7 43. Okay, then rupees 432. Sorry, question number A, 4 plus 1 by 25 plus 7 by 1000, that is 4 1 by 25 equal to 0.04. 7 by 1000 equal to 0.007, that is 0.04 at 0.007, that is 740.4, that is 4.047 answer. Okay, 4.047. Okay, now B number, 1 liter cost of 1 liter CP of cost price of 1 liter milk is rupees 48. 9 liter milk is 48 into 9, that is rupees 432. Okay, C, put less than or greater than 1.08 blank box 1.80, that is 1 point के पीछे 1 equalize 0.8, 0 is less than 8, so 1.08 less than 1.80. D, a ticket cost rupees 300, what shall I pay for 1/2 1.5 ticket? So CP of 1 ticket is 300, CP of 1 by, that is 3/2 is rupees 300 into 3/2, that is 150 into 3, rupees 450. Okay. E, reduce 144 by 252 to its lowest term. 144 to 252, 72, 2 से काट दिया 72, 2 से काट दिया 126, 126, 36 into 2, 72, 63 into 2, 126, 3 12 ja 36, 3 2 3 12 ja 36, 3 20, 21 ja 63, and 3 4 ja 12, 3 7 ja 21. So lowest form 4/7. Okay. F, smallest number formed with digits 9, 7, 2 and 8 is 2, 7, 8, 9. Okay. G, 440.04 into 100. So 4400 400, 4400 400, 2 के बाद पॉइंट, सो 2 के बाद पॉइंट, सो आंसर होगा 44,004. Okay. H, find the combined length of 30 sticks if each stick is 1/2 meters long. Length of one stick is 1/2 meter, that is 3/2 meter. Length of 30 stick is 30 into 3/2, that is 15, 45 meter. Answer 45 meter. I, convert 24/16/100 into a decimal number, that is 24.16. 16/100 equal to 2 के बाद point, so 16.16. Write 6/28 words, that is 6/28. Okay. Now I start exercise 83. Express the following in their lowest terms as fractions in their lowest terms. 0.05 means 0.05 5/100, that is 520 1/20. B, 0.02 equal to 2/100, that is 1/50. C, 0.125, that is 0.125 means 125/1000, that is 25 5 ja 2 2 5 2 ja 5 into 25 125, or 5 into 200 equal to 1000. 5 5 ja 25, 5 40 ja 200, 5 8 ja 40, 1/8. D, 0.6 equal to 6/10, 3 2 ja 6, 5 2 ja 10, 3/5. E, 0.8 equal to 8/10, तो 4 2 ja 8, 5 2 ja 10, 4/5. F, 0.08 equal to 8/100, 4 2 ja 8, 52 ja 100, 2 2 ja 4, 25 ja 2 ja 100, that is 2/25. G, 0.875 equal to 875/1000, that is फ्रैक्शनल नंबर होगा 5 से 875 जाएगा तो 175 200, फिर 5 से काटोगे 335 40, तो 5 7 जा 35, 5 8 जा 40, तो 7/8. H, 0.375, that is 375/375/1000, that is 3/8. 5 से काटोगे 75/200, फिर 5 से काटोगे 15/40, फिर 5 से 3 5 जा 15, 4 8 जा 3/8. I, 0.08 equal to 04 means 4 by 0.04, that is 4 by 100, that is 2 2 ja 4, 52 ja 100, 2 25 ja 50, that is 1 by 25. J 0.008, that is 0.008 means 8 by 1000, that is 4 2 is 8, 500 into 2000, 2 2 is 4, 250 into 2 equal to 500, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 5, 1 by 225. Okay. K 0.055, 0.055 555 by 1000, 5 11 is 55, 5 2 is 11, 11 by 200. Okay, it is 83. Now I complete 81, 82, 83, 84. Now, so now I show you the each chapter page 1 or 2 seconds. So now I complete exercise mental math exercise 81, 82 and 83, and you will practice these chapters at your home, and next day I will start another chapters. Okay, thank you.